What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a 1980 Puch Newport 2. It is a very easy process, but if you miss something, you might have a lot of issues or not even be able to start your bike at all. This bike has a ZA50 motor. It's a 2-speed automatic motor. Let's get right into this video and show you guys how to start this bike up. First, we're going to start with our electrical. On our right handlebar, this is our kill switch. This is off. And this is also off. You want this section to be flush. With this being flush, now our spark will activate. On the right side of the bike is the petcock. This is how you'll get gas to your carburetor. This orientation is off, this is on, and this is reserve. So you'll want to make sure that you're on the on position. And to help get gas to your carburetor, this little black nub in here, it's really hard to see, especially with my hand in the way, can be pushed down. That's a priming mechanism for more gas to come into your carburetor. Always prime that about 3 to 5 times. On the top of your carburetor is this little black thing. This is your choke. Go ahead and push that all the way down. Now your choke is engaged. When you full throttle the bike, your choke will come off automatically. Now for the semi-confusing part. This is not a brake lever, this is a clutch lever. You need to have this lever all the way in to make sure that your motor engages when trying to pedal to start this bike. If this is not in, your bike will not start. What you'll do as you're pedaling, you will hold this lever in, pedal, and once the motor starts to engage, you'll dump this lever really quickly. And I'll actually give you guys a demonstration of how that looks up close. And just a little demonstration so you guys can picture this a little closely. You can watch my hand. You're gonna go ahead, pedal your bike with this left lever all the way in. And there you go. That's how you start a 1980 Puch Newport 2. I hope that this video helped, and if it did, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below because it really does help the channel. And as always, guys, ride safe.